bafethu kunjani kamerani ngithini mfocus wela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one and angihambi ngiyi1 baka chuchu.
Well, bafethu kunjani nto zabantu on your screen. Here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion.
Awusibonga baba. So bafethu this weekend enkulu, weekend MTN 8 ekhapha engangithandisisi kahle ke mina. So in this video we'll be looking this Coco up against the Orlando Pirates go first game because ngidlala 2 legs again. So it's first leg. Yeah, my good guy. You are the defending champion of the cup le. Shothi into zakho. Angazi uthini uyadlala nesikhukhuni awusabe na.
I think we're looking to make it 5. You already can tell what he level into this thing I find. But besides that, Skukune it's a team dangerous. Honestly, they've shown ever since they were promoted to the PSL, the years that they've been into the PSL, they are a team Ngempela that take themselves seriously with the signings that they make.
Yeah.
Like they are financially stable, I will call them that way.
Yeah.
But going into this game, I see Orlando Pirates winning it, obviously, because it's my team. But there are positions to actually look at, to pay attention to. The Orlando Pirates is still not stable as Sweeney, due to the fact that Kulimalu Nduli, I think, was fitting like a glove. Those 52 minutes he played, yes, Umbata is also injured. That's why I'm actually mentioning this position. I see Mokoboti came in and he's showing signs of a good midfielder, but I think off the ball I still have an issue with him, honestly, because he tends to be a little bit wider. If you get a number 10 who's sharp like Bomdu or whichever number 10 or Ongawaz Avele Ame into that space, it will cost us a lot. But in terms of on the ball, he's very good, honestly. So I hope to see Bonam Tajela coming back as well, because I think those are our players. It's not reliable, mainly because they are able to track back and also add numbers when we go forward. I have a problem with Tito. I think Tito is having a good season already.
Yeah.
But I have a problem with his attitude. Honestly, that's something to mention, because ingaikila momentum team as a whole, you know. One rotten potato can make like the whole sagal ball. So in this instance, I think he's making a huge difference in terms of a team, even though he's slow. But I think it's rather a team adapting to his style than him adapting to the team style, which is good, you know, because we need a number 10. I already told you before, I wish we had a quicker number 10 to back up Tito in case we need to be a little bit more quicker. But to see the team adapting to his style of play, it's also nice, man.
Yeah.
That's nice. I hope to see a striker that will score goals, whether it's Mutuma, whether it's whoever. But I hope to see that happening. I think that's that mainly with us. Just to have a good game and not have like a lot of mistakes.
Okay.
Yeah.
But before we move on a little bit, because you're mentioning a few players, you're mentioning positions, right?
Yes.
What do you make of? I've watched you dancing. You make him dance. What do you make of that guy? For me, he's been impressive. So, what's your take on him?
I think for me, he's been impressive so much, you know. However, one trait I don't like about him, but it makes him good. It's just that for the team, for the benefit of the team, you have to release the ball earlier. That's for me. Someone else would say something else. You have to release the ball a little bit earlier, and sometimes they're shy. That's why I would prefer Namta Jela, but it's good to see him developing, because those are the things to actually fix. We wouldn't know ukuthi ngempela Melalungise something if Utakadlal, you know. we will always say ngoba engadlali why, you know, but ngoba sesibonile if engakwazi ukulungisa that part because life ikemshaya khona kakhulu ukuthi he does that, and sometimes uthola ukuthi his teammates, because he's still young, his teammates bamfakela pressure, and then ufuna ukurasha mase thola ibhola next time. Uyabona ukuthi he wants to try and be a team player, which is akasadlali yena as and when he sees ukuthi njengamanje let me take a player on and something, you know. If engakwazi ukulungisa that part siyayijabulela, but not too much. For me he makes it too much, you know. And also imriska ukuthi ngalimala because it's a physical game. If you uzogcina kakhulu ibhola with you win fouls, but at the expense of winning the fouls it's you getting injured. You would count on Neymar who does izinto ezithinta dribbling and physicality, and une lifetime injury name right now. So I think that's something to learn from him.
No, ngiyakubamba. Then also I'll also like to give credit where it's due when it comes to you. I've seen how solid you've been on the back, and especially for me, I think I've said it even last season. For me, with a player like Siema, I think for me is one of the best defenders you have, and I'm just impressed. Hopefully Bafana. We are no Kumfana.
True.
And then
this is just one preliminary at least.
At least So Mbutuma won't talk about that because we've always spoke about Mbutuma. So okay, going to Sekhukhune, do you see Sekhukhune mhlambe sekulimaza? I think for me they having not a bad start this season, because Babi are going up against Amazulu 4-3, which they're capable of scoring, but also unfortunately they concede. And then they lost to Kaizer Chiefs and came back to win again. So we hear the coach here, Ishogoti, is slowly starting to understand what he's trying to build. And then now, while he's trying to build whatever he's building is going to face you, do you see them troubling you?
Yeah, obviously, Sekhukhune, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, Sekhukhune is always dangerous. Kunabadlali abafana no Mojela. You already know Mojela from Stellenbosch, how dangerous he was that side. So you will always have that element of Wuti. They will surprise you with something. But right now, I think they are in the building phase. And they haven't faced a challenge. Well, they faced the challenge against the Chiefs, but they didn't show a resilience to say that we actually can overcome a challenge in those so-called big teams, you know. And with all due respect to Amazulu, because Amazulu, they are a good project, but I'm talking about a team that comes with numbers from my grandstands for that matter. You know, where you get pressure, you trap a ball and you can't trap a ball, you already feel good. Nah, this is pressure, you know. So such things. But I think it's gonna be a good game of football. Another thing to note, it's a three-peat. 3 in a row, because on Wednesday we will be playing Yona Sekhukhune. So coach,
and then
by this end, yes. By the end of this, I think it's a good challenge for Sekhukhune, because that means that they will already know. They will hope maybe to get a draw, a party draw, because they're the ones who are playing at home right now. They would hope to steal the game.
It's interesting at the end of it. Okay. So for me on my side, I think I'm just hoping with Sekhukhune won't go to this game and say Badlali low block, like how they were playing up against Kaizer Chiefs. Like you're saying, we're expecting to see a very beautiful game. So now I'm also looking forward to a very beautiful game. I don't know, my prediction. You're winning this one. You like winning or losing or draw?
we for me we will be winning this one.
You're conceding or you're not conceding?
I think we'll concede 2-1.
That's
okay.
Fair.
I'm predicting now. 2-1.
That's fair.
That's
fair. Looking forward to the game.
It's mainly because Isisu Setu is not as solid. I wouldn't say Asiko solid as such, but because it's new combination, you know. So we will have to give them time, obviously, because our players are injured. Makaulu khona. He can even start the game, but I think coach is trying to move on because Makaula, it depends on Orlando Pirates to give him the contract. Otherwise, he may retire. I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe he can go to another team, but I can say on a long-term project for us. Yes. Yeah.
I get but today you have it. Comment it down below. Or you show go to MTN8 to Bonabana when I go first legs. Kukune or Orlando Pirates. I don't know about too. Otherwise, we'll see you on another one.